Hello, my lovely friends. On a Sunday afternoon when it's raining outside, I just thought of making this chana chaat, a simple, easy, fast chana chaat, and the dahi boondi. So let's start with the chana chaat. And the ingredients for that, I have this medium sized can of Chaat chickpeas or the garbanzo beans. I have this chutney sauce, which is by National. It's a combination of chili garlic sauce, and it's called the chutney sauce. So I have some of that. Then I have some chopped green chilies, one sliced onion, medium, and one medium chopped tomato. I have this chaat masala, which I have emptied out in a bottle, and then salt, red chili powder, and cumin powder. In a small saucepan, I just peeled two medium potatoes, peel the skin, cut them into small cubes as per your taste, and then with a pinch of salt and yellow food color, I boil them for 10 to 12 or 15 minutes until they are soft and tender to be a part of this chana chaat. It start to assemble. I have drained the water from these beans, and then I'm gonna start assembling. Yeah, I'll just use it like this. Half of it in this, few green chilies, and then we are gonna add half of the potatoes on it. Then some taste, just sprinkle some red chili powder. I'm just eyeballing according to the taste. Some zira powder, I think 2 pinch. Masala powder, again according to your family's taste. Salt. If you have green chutney of any brand, any kind, it's perfect. Sometimes I usually have the homemade, but I'm out of that one. So I'm just gonna drizzle this or any chili garlic sauce along with the green or the tamarind or date chutney. So here it is. Then once again, we are gonna just add the remaining everything remaining on top of this, all the green. And if you guys have the fresh coriander, I'm just freezing all the coriander after cutting and washing them and cutting them, so I'm out of the fresh coriander. If you have, please do add in between the layers some fresh coriander leaves. If you don't have the cumin powder, that's okay. The chaat masala and the garam masala, these kind of things, they do have it, but I have this cumin powder. I'm adding that. Again, add some salt, some red chili powder. All these spices can be adjusted to your taste. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna add some lemon juice, and then I'm also adding this chutney once again on top of it. Refrigerator, I have this 100% lemon juice. If you have the fresh one, it's great. Add some lemon juice to it. I'm gonna just add tablespoons of it because we already put the chili garlic sauce. And I also found this green chutney. Actually, this is the pani puri masala, but it's really good. And we can just mix it nicely. And before serving any dish, do taste it, that if there is anything you really need to add or you can add, it's a great idea. Lemon juice, green chilies, everything looks so good. This green chutney. Okay. So the chana chaat is ready. I don't have any papri or anything for right now in the pantry, so I just added some barbecue chips. Usually I try to keep these things separate because I have one or two picky eaters and they don't like too much of mixing stuff. If you have something like this in your pantry, any chevra or any papar, what is this? Mixed cornflakes and papar, so you can just keep it aside if someone wants to add this to the chana chaat along with the chutney if someone needs extra flavoring. This is how you're gonna enjoy the chana chaat with the chana chaat for our tea time. And next I'm going to add the dahi boondi to the dahi. Stay tuned. For the dahi boondi, I have 2 cups of yogurt, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoon of sugar to it with 1 cup of water, and I'm gonna just mix it, whisk it together. Adding 1 cup of water is because when we put the boondi in it, it soaks the water, and otherwise the yogurt will just become too thick. It is a courtesy of a friend. She brought it from Pakistan. It's 6.5 ounces, and I'm gonna open it. And the boondis, they look like this. Actually this is by the brand Nimco. I have really beaten it nicely so there are no lumps. 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon of yogurt, and once I'm gonna add the boondi in it, I'm gonna add some other masala and share it with you. After mixing the yogurt together, see, we have added 1 cup of water to 2 cups of yogurt, and as soon as these boondis they jump into the yogurt, they soak so much water. So I guess you guys can do 2 cups of yogurt and then 2 cups of water. Make the yogurt a little thin, so once the boondis they get in, they have that enough liquid and the water to swell. Chaat masala, half a teaspoon to as per taste chaat masala, red chili powder here and there, chana chaat, and the dahi. Hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great Sunday and stay safe. Stay tuned till the next videos. Love you all. Goodbye.